Check engine light repairs have become dramatically more expensive in recent years. Modern vehicles present unprecedented diagnostic challenges that are driving repair costs to new heights. Three primary factors are driving these increased costs. Advanced engine technologies require specialized diagnostic equipment and expertise. Supply chain disruptions have increased parts costs by up to 25%, and certified technician wages have risen significantly, with diagnostic time now averaging $150 to $200 per hour. The diagnostic complexity of modern vehicles is staggering. Today's cars can trigger check engine lights for over 4,000 different diagnostic trouble codes. This makes accurate diagnosis more challenging and time-consuming than ever before. Here are the 5 most expensive check engine light repairs. Catalytic converter replacement can cost $2,500 to over $8,000. Engine control module failures range from $2,000 to $6,500. Transmission control issues cost $3,000 to $7,500. Turbocharger failures run $2,800 to $6,000. And hybrid system component repairs can cost $4,000 to over $12,000. Two major trends are driving repair costs even higher. First, electrification is having a massive impact. As more vehicles incorporate hybrid and electric components, repair costs are escalating dramatically. Second, we're seeing an increasing number of check engine lights caused by software glitches rather than traditional mechanical failures, requiring specialized diagnostic expertise. Industry experts predict that these repair costs will continue rising by 8 to 12% annually through 2027. Understanding these expensive repairs is crucial for making informed decisions about vehicle maintenance and ownership. The best defense against expensive check engine light repairs is a strong preventive maintenance strategy. Following manufacturer service schedules religiously can prevent most catastrophic failures. Key preventive strategies include using quality fuel and oil, following strict service intervals, and replacing wear items before they fail. These simple steps can save thousands in repair costs. Address check engine lights immediately. Ignoring them can turn a minor issue into a major expense. A simple oxygen sensor replacement can prevent catalytic converter damage. Smart cost-saving strategies include extended warranties for turbocharged and hybrid vehicles, seeking independent specialists, and preventive part replacement before failure occurs. Extended warranties are particularly valuable for turbocharged and hybrid vehicles, which have higher failure rates and repair costs. Consider them essential protection for these complex systems. Watch for critical warning signs that indicate expensive repairs ahead. A flashing check engine light means immediate catalyst damage is occurring. Multiple warning lights often signal costly control module failures. Industry experts predict repair costs will continue rising 8 to 12% annually through 2027. This makes preventive maintenance more valuable than ever before. Prevention is your best investment. Regular maintenance costs hundreds, but prevents repairs costing thousands. Stay proactive to keep your vehicle reliable and your wallet protected.